Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have solved a more a questions on less than 500 rating, and now we have to solve one more question which is 271 rating, and the question name is off by one. Okay, so you just bought a new calculator, but it seems to have small problem. All its results have extra one appended to it. Okay, for example, if you ask 3 or 5, it will print 81, means it will append 1 after the result. Okay, so the for 12 plus 4, which is 16, and 1 will append after that. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. You just have to do one thing. First you have to take int x comma y. First understand this example. So yeah, there is given a 3 and 5. Okay, so you just have to add it. First you have to add it 3 and 5. Okay, this will give you 8. Okay, and then you have to append the 1 after that, and you just have to return it 81. Okay, you just have to append 1 at the last. So let's suppose there is given example, there is also given an example 4 plus 12. Okay, 4 plus 12 is 16. So it is 16, you all we know, but you just have to return 161 after appending 1 at the end. Okay, so how can you do this? First you have to just uh, there is a simple approach. You just have to first add 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, wait, and then you just have to multiply it 8 into 10, which is 80, and then you just have to do plus 1, and then after you just have to return it. So you will return 80. In the same way, there is 16. Okay, and then you just have to do 16 into 10 plus 1. Okay, so it will give 160, and then you just have to add 1, which will give 161. So I hope you understand this question and the approach that we follow. Okay, so first you have to take int x comma y. Okay, and then take input x comma, you just have to take input x and y, and then create int z where you store the value. Okay, so what is the z? First you have to do x plus y. Okay, and then you just have to multiply it and then plus 1. Okay, and after this you just have to return cout z. So I hope you understand that what this question is telling. So let's run this code. Okay, let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.